أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن تبعه وولاه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد. Let's get into our lecture of today, which is about small deeds or easy to do deeds. They're not small, I don't want to call them small deeds, but easy to do deeds and enormous rewards from Allah Azza wa Jal. Of course the reward will be enormous. It's easy on us physically, but it is with Allah Azza wa Jal, it is a huge deal, huge difference. As an example, the hadith, before I say anything, you will know that we know a lot of things, but unfortunately we're not practicing it. That's why it is far from our head. But once we spoke about it, yeah, I know that. I know you know that, but have you done it? That proves the point that when we ask Allah for guidance, we are not just asking Him to show us. Many people see the truth, but they still don't do it. They are distracted, they are controlled by their lust and desire, they are under the effect of other things, they are busy, they are worried, they are anxious, they are depressed, whatever the reason is. So not everybody, just because they are shown the truth or they're shown a good thing, they will end up doing it. Actually, majority of the people will not do it, even though they know the right thing. So you need the help of Allah Azza wa Jal to remind you to remember Him. That's why Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to say to Mu'adh ibn Jabal, Ya Mu'adh, لا تدعن دور كل صلاة, do not leave at the end of every prayer, Allahumma, oh Allah, a'inni, help me, ala dhikrika, to remember you, wa shukrika, and to thank you, wa husni ibadatika, to worship you the best way possible. What does that tell us? That without the help of Allah, you will not be able to remember Him.